So Blaze,
Yes.
did you know they're closing the pier?
Why?
Because some people think it's falling apart.
But it's not.
You don't think so?
No.
They think the underside is falling apart.
Is it?
I don't know. Why are you so sad?
I don't really like the pier is closing and gonna break down.
What do you like at the pier?
The one excuse. What's that boy's name again that they all play things?
Fitz?
Yeah.
Yeah. The one-man circus?
Yeah.
What else do you like about it?
The picture things and the dancing thing.
Oh yeah, when they play music?
Yes.
And all the pictures on the side?
Yes.
What about the pelicans?
Yes. I want to get my own fishing pole.
And go to the pier?
And fish. My dad's going to teach me how to fish, right?
Yeah.
I know how to cast it out and reel it in.
You do?
Yes.
So it makes you sad that there's not going to be no more pier?
Yes. That's the end.